Okay, so this is a short video about the DS tuning box that I bought off eBay for my 2008 Audi A4 2 litre TDI. I've opened the box and this is what I've got in it. I've got obviously the tuning box, the associated plugs, the instructions how to fit to the vehicle, a lot of do's and don'ts, and just out of curiosity I thought I would open the box. It's just 4 screws holding the back down, and basically what it is, when you pop it off, that's what's inside. So as you can see, there's just 3 little resistors, all labelled 222, which, well, it's just basically a void of nothingness in the box. It's just 3, what I can see is 3 resistors. So I won't be plugging this into my car, and I recommend you probably don't bother buying one yourself. It was £35, and it's supposed to have come from Germany, but as you can see from the postage, it's come from Poland. So not too impressed with that one, to be honest. Probably one to avoid.